Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to fix the remote desktop connection unable to open the connection file on Windows. For the reason that the connection file is corrupted, you can delete the corrupted connection file and recreate a new connection file by running RDP. Open this PC on the desktop, and navigate the following path. Select the View option. Tick the Hidden Items option to show hidden items. Find the connection file default.rdp that cannot be opened, and delete it. Now, reopen RDP. Enter the IP address and username of the remote PC, click Connect. Enter the user password in the Windows Security pop-up window, and confirm again to realize the remote connection. Return to the previous navigation path and double-click the automatically created default.rdp to verify that the connection file is working properly. Then the issue remote desktop unable to open connection file can be fixed easily. Open this PC on the desktop, and navigate the following path. Change the file name to the following and press Enter to confirm the change. Open RDC again. Enter the IP address and username of the remote computer, click Connect, and a new connection file will be automatically generated. Navigate to the Documents folder, find and double-click the new connection file automatically generated by RDP, and see if it can be opened normally. When the default.rdp file is corrupted, it will affect the remote connection. You can create a new Windows user account and save the existing connection settings as a new connection file instead. Now, create a new user account and log in to the local computer. Press the window and our key combination to open the Run dialog. Type the following command, and hit OK. Click Show Options. Then find the Connection Settings section. Click the Save As option. And save the RDP file to another location. Next, find the RDP file you saved, double-click it to open it, and see if the connection file is working properly.